Hello guys, in this tutorial we learn how to make circular sketch pattern. As first, draw the shape. Here for example, draw the circle and go to the circle sketch pattern tool, select the parameter, here entities to pattern, this 36 0 degree, it means full circle. For example, if we make it 180, that's half circle. Degree full circle. -36 degree. Okay, 90 degree. Here equal space. Here the name of the number. For example, 8, just 8. Here the radius of the circle, this circle. We can make it 70. Or 25. Back to 50. Okay. Here we have circular sketch pattern. 8 pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, thank you for watching. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to watch the next tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button. You can also visit my blog for more. You can also watch the previous tutorial